Hello! Welcome to another How to Draw video. Today we're going to learn how to draw a pig. We'll sketch some basic shapes for the picture first, so grab a pencil or light crayon. Then we'll draw the final lines in a pen or darker pencil. So, let's start with the guide shapes. In the middle of the page, draw a shape that looks like an egg on its side. This will be the body. Now, to the bottom right of the body, draw a circle for the head. On the bottom right of that circle, draw another egg shape, which will help us draw the snout. Let's give this pig some legs. Starting at the back, draw most of a rectangle, which gets thinner at one end and sort of leans to the left. Repeat this shape for the other three legs, but change the angle at which they lean, so the final front leg is leaning to the right slightly. Next, for some big floppy ears, draw a triangle on the head, and another triangle off to the side a bit. And then, pop a curly line on our pig's bottom for a tail. That's all the guidelines done, so we can now start drawing the final line work. Grab your pen and let's go! Start where the head meets the body and draw all the way round to meet the back leg. From there, follow the leg shape, slightly overlapping the body. A little bit down from the end of that line, draw a line for the tummy, past the other back leg and stopping at the first front leg. Again, let the front leg overlap the body shape slightly and draw another line from the leg to the head. For the head, start the line a short way inside the last line we drew and follow the guide shapes in one smooth line to draw the pig's jaw and snout. And then up from the snout to draw the top of the head, slightly overlapping the line we drew for the back. Notice anything missing? Well, a lot is at the moment, but we definitely should give this pig a couple more legs. So, follow the guide shapes, making sure not to overlap the tummy lines. Draw the ears next. The first one, draw around the triangle shape. But as you reach the spot where you started your line, draw a little curve back on your line to show where the ear folds. The other ear, just draw away from the head, following the triangle shape and back to the head. Let's add some details now, starting at the snout. A curved line on the end, and a couple of oval shapes for nostrils. Now draw a smile that curves up, and a little crease line at the end of the smile. Add some nice round eyes, and we're almost done. On your pig's feet, add a little line to each one to give him trotters. And finally, let's flesh out that curly-whirly tail. Start at the end of the tail and draw a C-shaped curve to the end of where the guide shape makes its first loop. Then go back to the top of the line and draw another C-shaped curve, but keep this line going round to join the first line that you drew. Continue the first line now, curling back onto itself, and then draw two more curved lines to attach the tail to the body. That's all the final line work. So you can rub out your guidelines, and there you go. Your pig is complete.